Okay. Given three integers arrays R1, R2, and R3 sorted in strictly increasing order. Strictly increasing means there's no equal elements, I guess. Uh, okay. I guess so. Anyway, I return a sorted array of only the integers that appeared in all three arrays. Okay. Problem statement is quite simple. We need to kind of utilize the sorting to make it easier. So a very simple way is that I'll pick up an element from array 1. I'm gonna check if that exists in array 2 and in login time, of course. And once I've checked it and if it exists, uh, then I can add it to a candidate list, right? And then I am going to do this for entire array 1. So if the array 1 has like n length, then it's going to be n times login in this case, because you're doing login operation for n times. And this way maybe I'll have all the elements, which is the worst case possible, that array 1 and array 2 are exactly the same arrays. Then in n login, basically I'll have a candidate list which is as big as array 1. Now I'm going to go through the candidate list and check it in array 3. And that will be another n log n, but that can be a separate thing. So in total it will still be n log n only. Can we make it better? The input is quite small here actually, like 1 to 2000 only. I'm wondering if we can somehow utilize that, because how about this? Basically, if it's 1 to 2000 only, how about I actually make an array of 2000 length, and now just go through array 1, mark those indices. It's better to use a hash map in that case. Like O of n space, if we can do this, is O of n problem. So it comes down to like, then I can just go through each array, whichever one has frequency turned into 3, because it's sorted in strictly increasing order, which essentially means that it needs to be uh, that it needs to not have any duplicates, right? Because strictly increasing means that you can't have an equal thing happening. Uh, our returning array should also be sorted, by the way. Um, that's still doable. Dictionaries order can be maintained. Now it just comes down to whether you want to have an O of n time and O of n space solution, or you want to have an O of n log n time and O of 1 solution, right? It just comes down to that. Maybe we'll go with this. Probably they'll have like and the sole reason I'm going for this is like time limit exceeded is one way this will throw an error, but space is probably not that. So, and this is also very simple to code now. So all I have to do is, it can be like a 2 line problem, but let's not do this way. Like frequency map dict, and for health in R1, maybe at least we can have a default dict, right? Import default dict. If not default dict int alt plus equals to 1 for alt in R2 plus equals to 1 for alt in R3 plus equals to 1 if this becomes 3, then this is one of the things that we need to return. So output, we can append it to output. Return output. It's like one of the simplest problems I've ever seen probably. Of course it's an easy problem. Memory usage is also 97%. Oh my god. Okay, I think let's just end it here. It's a damn simple problem. Bye bye.